Y'all, I don't know if I'm going to consider this a Nest With Me, but this is the first episode of, I don't know, Nest With Me. So I just got my car seat and stroller. I went with the Chicco Bravo Primo. And I bet y'all probably like Chicco. It's spelled Chico, but apparently it's pronounced Chicco. So we're gonna go with Chicco. I came in today. Again, shout out to my dad. At my big age, my parents still buy me stuff because my parents love me. You know what I'm saying? And they can't wait to meet their granddaughter. So my dad sent me some money to do whatever I wanted with it. So the first thing I did was bought the Chicco Bravo Primo. Again, my husband took it out the box because it was drenched. Because it's raining like crazy here in Florida. But we're gonna take it out the plastic bag. So unwrap the Chicco Bravo Primo with me. Okay. Don't mind how I look, because we all can't look perfect every fucking day. You know what I'm saying? My husband will be real mad at me if he thinks that I'm gonna pick these things up. But we're gonna attempt. I'm not gonna do anything crazy. But I just want to show you guys how it looks. Oh, it's not even heavy. All right, so this is the car seat, and apparently the Chicco Bravo Primo is probably one of the safest car seats out there from what I've read. And at first I wanted the new one, but I'm like, who am I trying to impress? Nobody. As long as my baby is safe and buckled into the car, that's all that matters. And she is safe in her stroller, that's all that matters. Don't be forced to try to get some sort of name brand spending over $1,500 on something that they're gonna dirty or not even be in for at least a year. I'm already losing breath. So this is how it looks. I think it's already in the frame thingy. I don't know the name of these things, but let me show you guys up close. All right, so this is how it looks. So again, this is how it looks. This is the Key Fit 35 car seat. Ooh, can y'all see? There we go. And yeah, look, it's a really good quality. Oh, her little stuff gonna be in here. I believe this is detachable. So as she gets bigger, I believe this goes up to 35 pounds. So she could probably be in this to at least 6 months or more. So yeah, you could take this off. Some people forget that you can actually, you know, remove these things as they get bigger. Only reason I know that is because I watched a lot of videos before making this purchase. And yeah, this is how it looks. You know, once I get closer, I'll eventually install it in the car. But as of right now, I'm just gonna keep it in the house. They got the handle things on the side, so you can do that, right? And then once you do that, you can do this. Real, like the quality is real good, y'all. Look at this. And you can, you know, unzip this, and it has UPF 50. And here's the zipper. You can unzip that, and then you can do that. You know what I'm saying? You got the little mesh right here. And then there's a zipper right here too. Can y'all see all that? Okay. There's a zipper right here too. And then you can do that. And then this, the good thing about this too that I've seen, you can do this. You know what I'm saying? And then you buckle it right here. I know you're probably like, terminology, right? Listen, I am a first time mom. And I'm gonna use that to my full advantage. I don't know what I'm doing. And I'm pretty sure a lot of people don't know what they're doing. I don't like to feel like, try to act and try to sound smart when I don't know what I'm talking about. So, yeah. So this is how it looks. You know, love it. And yeah, when you want to hide your baby and stuff like that, you just put this over her or him. Yeah, I like this. Then you unbuckle it and you put it back. And then you zip it back, you know, to get it out of the way. And I think this is a great purchase. This is, you know, eventually, you know, once you have your first child, you know, they say that, you know, once you have your second one, you know what you don't want to do and the things you want to buy, blah, blah, blah. I think this is a great purchase. I got this for a total of $6.49. Well, I didn't get it, my daddy got it. The insert that's right here, it is it goes up to newborn 4 pounds to 11 pounds, and then once you go over that, they'll outgrow it depending on your child, obviously. And then you take this out and then you put them in this. And yeah, Chicco Key Fit 35 car seat. And make sure y'all read the manuals too, because sometimes people will write reviews and be like, no, this is a bad car seat, no further instruction, blah, blah, but they didn't even read the manual. Like, the answer is dead in their face, but they prefer to just jump online and leave a bad review without reading the manual. So don't be one of them people. Make sure you are reading, researching, watching videos before you make a big purchase and leave these people a bad review when they put their all into something like this. And also, don't be one of them people that go overboard and spend crazy money. Because sometimes those name brand car seats and strollers are the ones that are not safe for your baby. So definitely check out the Chicco, and let me show you guys the stroller. The stroller may be a little heavy for me, but let's see. Actually, it isn't. But I don't want to do too much. All right, let's take these things off. Ooh, what the heck was that? All right. Okay. Oh shit. Okay. So now I gotta see what some of these pieces go to. So I'm assuming, okay. All right, I think I got it. All right. Let's take this out. It seems like it's easy so far. So I just gotta see where some of these things at. Okay. All right, we got it. We got it. So this is, I think, what the wheel will attach to. Okay, yep, this is what the wheel attaches to. You know what? There's a lot of pieces to this. I'm not even gonna do it. I'm gonna let my husband do it. So I'm just gonna put these in here for him. But it comes with all these gadgets. Obviously, you gotta assemble it. And again, I'm gonna have him do it. So I'm gonna bring you guys close. Let me gather all the pieces to this. These are all the pieces. Okay, so this is the stroller, the Primo stroller, and this is how it looks. Obviously, when they get bigger, you can put them in this, right? And one thing I did like that not a lot of strollers have is the cup holder, because when I'm walking, I want to be able to put like my coffee in the stroller. And then they got this little pocket right here. Stuff in there. And I also love that there was a little area to put more storage. Obviously, you could adjust when needed. And you can detach this. Oops. You can detach this, right? And the good thing I love about this is that you can put the stroller on this. So it should be too small for this. So as she get bigger, at least I know I have this and this to, you know, give it more comfort and support. Obviously, it comes with the tires, which I'm not gonna do because that's just too much on me right now. And it comes with the attachment to put the tires on. Here are the smaller tires to put in the front. But all around, from what I can see, this is a good stroller. I love the color. Also, it comes with the attachment to put on the stroller, you know, to block the sun and the haters. And as she get older, it comes with this attachment so she can put her little sippy cup and other stuff. So this is the Primo. If you're looking to getting it, I'm just gonna tell you to get it because it's cheap and it's high quality. I don't see nothing cheap about it. If you grew up in the 90s and 2000s, you know we came a long way. Remember them umbrella strollers? We came a long way. So it's really, I'm really happy to see the amount of selections that we have. But just don't try to go broke trying to put your baby in, trying to keep up with the Joneses, because you see everybody else with the Nuna, the upper baby jogger and stuff like that. Do yourself a favor and save your money and or have somebody else pay for it. Don't spend your money on that. Somebody, if you have family friends that love you, they may be the ones to buy it for you, but don't go breaking the bank trying to get yourself something expensive. If they give you $200 to get a Nuna, get you a Chicco and use that $600 for something else. This is the first episode of Nesting with Me. I'm gonna be 31 weeks. We're basically almost there. So I might as well start now. So yeah, this is the first episode of Nesting with Me. I'm not even gonna do no 30-day nesting with me. I ain't got time to be trying to film every day. I don't got the time. So weekly, follow along with me, and I'll be posting weekly updates of what I'm doing to prepare for my baby. And then maybe on the next week I'll do a name reveal, either next week or the week after. We'll see how I feel. But that is the Chicco Primo stroller and the Chicco, wait, what I said? This is the Chicco Brava Primo stroller, as well as the Chicco Key Fit stroller car seat. Definitely give them a try. Honestly, if you don't want to just go out and just buy it, just do your research. Go to different places that they may sell it at. Nordstrom may have it, Bloomingdale's may have it. Just do your research. Don't just jump the gun and buy something. Okay, all right, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Hope you guys enjoyed this. I don't even want to say I hope this was educational for you guys, because I had nothing educational to give you guys. I just wanted to show you guys. I just want to unbox it with you guys. Please give me grace right now, because I have mommy brain, and what I want to say comes and goes just as quick. So let me get off of here before I make more of a fool of myself.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like